Welcome to a tutorial on how to download our new PWH app. So go to the Google Play Store for Android devices or iOS Store for Apple devices. Under search, you will type PWH in one word. You will click install to install the app. It will now download. When installation is complete, you will click the open button. The app is now loading. So now you will enter your email address and password, which you can obtain from your client administrator. Here you will see on this page your latest asset statement. You can view it here. For more options, click on the top right-hand corner. For example, we are going to click on the previous asset statement to view that. And here it is. Thank you for watching our download tutorial.